friends. This week we are making our very own science journals, and I'm going to show you the things that you can use in your creation station to create a science journal. The first thing you need to do is upcycle. That means you're going to use things that you already have in your house to make your science journal. So let's get going. Now, a science journal is a little book or a big book that you want to draw your observations in. So one way you can upcycle is to find like an old notebook. I found two here, and they don't have all the pages because I used them and I took out the pages that were written in, and now I'm left with this book. So you could use a notebook, and then you can actually glue a top onto this and decorate it and to use as a science journal. Now this is a very easy way. Like maybe I would find a piece of paper or something to cover my journal. I could put some glue on it, cut it, decorate it, and that could be Dawn's science journal. And then I'm ready to go outside and start recording all the things that I see happening in the springtime. So old notebooks are a way to make a science journal. And you know what's another good idea? When you're making observations, sometimes you want to collect things. So even if you can find even an old envelope, and you can glue the envelope onto a page so you can put maybe leaves or flowers and collect things into your science journal. Now that's a great idea. Okay, old notebooks, great way to go. Next, find paper. Ask your mom and dad, say, can I have the recycle bin? Can I find paper? So I found an envelope. I have some old puzzles that I'm not going to use. But look, the back is blank. I could use this for paper. And then I could find all kinds of paper. And then maybe I said, okay, this envelope, mom and dad is not going to use it. So I can cut my own pieces of paper out. So I have paper from this envelope. Oh, look, I could use this side as well. And maybe I will make, okay, I can cut them to the size. Oh, maybe I'll use this scrap paper. I'll use a few pages of that. Oh, I even found some other paper. Now, does your journal have to be the same size? I mean, if you want it to be, you can make it the same size, but you can always cut them. And then, if your parents can help you, you can staple. Oh. Click. Look, I made my own book. You can also use cardboard from the cereal box if you wanted to have a hard cover. Cut it out and cover your book. This is another way to make a science journal. That was fairly easy. And then all you have to do is decorate it, and then you use your science journal to write down the things that you see outside. Very easy. You can make a tiny little science journal, something that you can hold in your pocket. If you find, let's say, little pieces of cardboard, let me move this. This could be the cover. And then I found a Post-it pad. Ask Mom or Dad, can I have a Post-it pad? And then you can glue or staple it together And then you have a tiny little science journal. Okay, once your science journal is put together, use your crayons or your markers or your colored pencils to decorate your front cover. I don't know what you would you like to observe. Maybe it's plants. Maybe you'll draw plants. Maybe you want to observe insects. So you might draw your insects. Don't forget to write your name on it. And every day, go outside and discover new things and write them down in your science journal. I'm going to keep working on mine. You keep working on yours. And I can't wait to see your science journals. Have a great time, scientists.